Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams TV, where we delve into insightful discussions aimed at helping you unlock your potential. Your presence is appreciated, and I sincerely thank you for tuning in. Have you ever noticed that when someone asks if you're okay, it can make you tear up even more when you're trying to hold back tears? It's a fascinating aspect of human emotions. True love doesn't cause harm. A heart that genuinely loves you will never want to stop loving you, even if it's been hurt before. Psychologists have discovered that simply forcing yourself to smile when you're in a bad mood can actually improve your mood. Research has shown that when two people bond over their shared dislike for someone else, it can bring them closer together. Couples who use considerate and kind words when arguing experience less stress and conflict in their relationships. Setting high standards for yourself and not settling for less can make a significant difference. Listening is an essential first step in expressing love and care. Presenting your authentic self is more valuable than trying to appear perfect through filters or makeup. As we grow up, we often become more of who we truly are, rather than drastically changing. Nature has a positive effect on our brains. Walking in gardens and natural settings can enhance our cognitive function. Life gains meaning when we realize that each moment is unique and won't come again. The color purple is associated with qualities like luxury, spirituality, and ambition. One of the most bittersweet experiences is saying goodbye when you know the next meeting won't be the same. Fake friends are like shadows. They're around during good times but disappear during tough times. Success starts with disregarding the fear of judgment from others. Behavior often speaks louder than knowledge, especially in challenging situations where knowledge might fall short. Our musical preferences often solidify during our high school years, leaving lasting imprints. Even when life gets tough, showing resilience and finding reasons to smile can make a significant difference. Remaining strong in the face of challenges is a powerful trait. True love means enjoying each other's company, even when one of you is asleep. While breakups are painful, letting go of someone who doesn't value you is a gain, not a loss. Your attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. Your personality holds true beauty. Putting your negative thoughts down on paper and discarding them can help improve your mood. Prioritizing sleep is essential. It's more beneficial than staying up late to study. Not receiving recognition doesn't mean a task can't be satisfying. Cherish your parents as they age alongside you. Empathy often resides in those who feel guilt deeply. The color turquoise is associated with spirituality, healing, and protection. Frequent anger over minor things can indicate a subconscious desire for love and attention. Don't waste your tears on someone who doesn't understand their value. Dreams of death can symbolize new beginnings in life. Laughter comes more easily when we're strongly drawn to someone. Honesty is a rare gift. Don't expect it from those who don't value it. Our minds often wander into scenarios that never come to fruition, occupying a significant portion of our thoughts. True love perseveres through challenges. Humans tend to hold on to the familiar, even when it's not beneficial. Chuckling at a poor joke could be a sign of hidden loneliness. Traveling can enhance mental activity and reduce feelings of depression. Cuddling has the potential to combat depression, reduce anxiety, and boost the immune system. Disappointment can reshape our outlook on relationships, causing us to push people away as they get closer. In conclusion, remember that familiarity isn't always the best path. Let these thoughts guide you to a more fulfilling life. Thank you for being a part of the Achieve Your Dreams TV community. Your engagement and support mean a lot.